How to turn off tap to wake on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down and go to Tap to Wake. As you can see, it is currently turned on. This feature wakes the screen when you tap on the display. Now, turn off this feature. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off tap to wake on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.